pumunta ako ng mini po na ice cream. Tingnan natin kung perfect ba itong mini po ko.
Tinango ng beso naman nakasalat ang Pilipinas. All the way from Pangasinan. Hot beef cheese nuts, dried kasoy with the skin from Iba, Sambares. Pero ang klaseng nuts natin, adobo nuts.
Dami pa naman yan.
Taiwan, yung ginagawa subo. Kunti lang, ano lang. Sweet beans, nangango ng sangkap ng halo-halo. All the way from City of Paris.
Baguio.
Fruit flavor, assorted garnish. At yung latest na pinakamalakas na bestseller as of this time.
Ano yan kuya?
Dried mango, gummy mango, candy mango. From Dimaras, Iloilo City. At 410 days pa lang. Yung approximate time niya sa iyo. Hindi pa matagal. Presentation ng product. Okay, okay.
Okay. Tikman natin yung all the way from the different land. Sige, tikman natin. Okay, ganyan dapat.
Ayun daw meaning ng friendship, guys.
Nagsusupport. Vinor Life. Ha? Vinor Life. Sa kanilip bus na sinakyan natin. Vigor. O Vinor.
Viron. Kasi environment ang iisip ko.
Okay.
Para sa pag-accept natin sa different personality.
Wow! Cheers!
Labada. Labada yan.
Okay guys, so it's our day one here in LU and there's a lot of people because today is Friday and you know why. And ayan, I'm gonna show you some clip as you can hear the waves. Very loud, crashing waves. And yeah, ang ganda ng view dito. I like the view. You do? Yes, you're my best view. Bugan at Calvert Party. Okay, so we're roaming around the street. Nakakarinderya.
Yeah.
Day 2 was.
Ano ba tayo? Ay, may galing ang galing.
Okay guys, dito ang pagpapanggap na lokal kami sa LU.
Doon na ako, ba't
Ano, magbubad na ako ngayon. Hindi mo kami pigilan. Guys, ito yung resto ni Maris Win. Kay Maris Roncao. The ever OG Maris.
dito, nag-push up, iiwanan yung lower back nyo. So, gagamit kayo ng tuhod. Pwede yun. Yan. Tayo pa lang.
Ready pa lang, baby. Yan.
Tayo. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yan. Hindi mo kailangan tinan yung board o yung halo. Para ka nagmamadali. Okay na ba? Stretching para ka nagmamadali.
Let's go. Uy, uy.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and
Okay guys, so I just finished surfing and super duper enjoy. And I think everyone should experience the same experience kasi it's super fun. Kaya nawala na ako ng lashes. But it's all good. Oh, ganda ni ate.
sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean.
Grabe, solid siya. Click, clack, barabim, baraboom. That's the fit. Okay guys, so we're now done with our dinner. So we will head out to surfer's place. I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung name. Pero for the night, I'm a person. Because why not the surf? What is LU without a little bit of nightlife? And yun lang. Hindi ko alam ba't ito binivideo pero yeah. It's the fit. Pero ang ganda ko ba yun? Wala na. Okay guys, so day 3. And we're gonna eat brekkie. Eat tayo brekkie. Saan tayo eat brekkie?
Tagpuan ni Moira.
This is Taffet. Masarap-sarap lang kunyari. Kunyari, local marami kaming mga bracelet eh. Kahit ang bracelet mo kami. Oh, eh! Weird. If meron, I think wala ka hapon eh. Look at this amazing surfers.
Sa ano na siya, sa hindi na siya opulence.
Inisip niya na kung saan siya mas sasaya. To our last smoothie. Actually. Okay guys, so day 2 of surfing. Cause girl, once you start surfing, You can never stop. I can guarantee. So this is a last minute of change of plans. Last minute change of plans. Kasi that mag-chill na lang kami. But the waves today are so good. That's why sabi namin ni Gam, sige mag-wave. Mag-surfing tayo. And then sabi ko, let's go. Sabi ko, andito na tayo. Why not make the most out of it? Yung pera babalik, but the experience, no. Sabi ko, sulitin natin kasi ang mahal ng pamasahe. Magkano lang naman yung surfing eh.
Sun is shining, sky is so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
May mga sol-sol pa.
Breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer.
Okay, so we're now done with our surfing. And last day. Ang ganda ng view. Yeah, last day na today. And we're gonna go home. But at least we were able to enjoy the sunset, nag-surfing. Charan ko lang tong view na to.
Days can't be beat.
Okay, Nenok. Pero nagpaalam. Na-old daw guys. Guys, di kukunin na yun ako dito. Punta sa ito. May ding-ding moment. Amen. Oh, last day in LU. Uy, tired na ang mami ko, guys.
Kayo na pa?
Andiyan ka dito sa likod. Dito kami sa likod, guys. So, sa loob walang laman. Ang inagawi, nakakahila tong gawa natin, ha? Guys, so may maglaland na ang airplane. May movie tayo, guys.
Tagal pa to eh.
Guys, game pang tour. Guys, balik na kami sa reality.
Magkano yung tricycle?
75. 113. Okay, kakainin natin ang last grade dish Rumi. Macarons with ogu, with shabu. Cheers. Ito tumingin sa iyo.
Yes, so,
Anong taon na ngayon? Anong taon na ngayon, boss? Year 2035 na ba?
Oo, 1025 na. Tama na.
Salamat. Salamat, bossing. Mali ako ng time travel eh.